Hey, John Crestani here, and in this video I'm going to be going over how you can earn and get paid $100 a day with the DigiStore affiliate network. Now this is going to be a money video, and I'll be going over and referencing this sheet a lot. All of the information that I go over is on the sheet called John Crestani /networks, which is down below. You can see the link here where I show you my breakdown of different affiliate networks. Now I'll be giving you a little information about the network. We'll be doing a walkthrough of the affiliate network of DigiStore to help you understand the interface and how you can find such stuff as top offers, as well as how to get support from your affiliate managers and what other support that DigiStore offers to help you make money. I'll also be going over exactly how you get paid and how that happens, and also how you can apply so that you can get DigiStore to start paying you. Now I'm going to go over everything right here on my computer, and I will be walking you through step by step on my screen how to use DigiStore to start earning money. Hey, John Crestani here. We have another money video. So let's get it. Now, for those of you who don't know what affiliate marketing is, let me give you a brief primer, and then we're gonna dive in right here on my computer, showing you exactly how to use DigiStore. Now, the way affiliation works, for those of you that don't know, is there are companies like myself or like Fanatics.com that say, hey, we're willing to pay people to market us. Now, they talk to what's called an affiliate network, such as ShareASale or DigiStore in our case, and they say, hey, can you set up the technology so that people can market our products and get paid? And ShareASale says, sure. And they set everything up technology-wise, and they look for affiliates like you or like me to say, will you post links about our product online and we will pay you money, okay? So you post a link online, post a link, right? Blah, 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 blah.com for their product. Somebody buys their product and the company pays some of the money to the affiliate network, and the affiliate network pays some of the money to you. And you start making money without having to spend any money. It's totally virtual. So let's get on my computer and go over exactly how this works with DigiStore. Now, in order to join DigiStore, there's a link down below. I also posted up there, johncrestani.com /networks. And you can also click the link in the description to go to this file. That will give you the link to join. Once you are on the file, you can just click the link over here next to the affiliate network, or you can click the application information apply to apply to these affiliate networks that will pay you. I've listed all the information about them in this sheet. So we're going to go over to DigiStore. Now, DigiStore is a very large affiliate network. They pay affiliates about $250 million a year. So we're just going to go up here to the login area. So when you get to the link for the network sheet, you can click on any of the links on the left side, which are affiliate networks, to join them. Now, DigiStore, I'm going to be referencing the sheet here. DigiStore has various specialties. They have a lot of products, so you can promote health products, or if you're more interested in parenting, you can promote parenting related products. If you're more interested in helping people make money, you can promote make money products or investment products. They have a lot of offers. They have over 192 offers, as you see right here. What's the best part though is you don't need any approval to join DigiStore. Literally, you just join it. You don't have to talk to anybody on the phone. You don't have to have references. You don't have to chat with people on Skype. It's very easy to join, and they don't have many excluded countries. Right now, the only country I know of that you can't use to join DigiStore is Nigeria. Sorry, Nigerians. I still love you though. So here's what the DigiStore website looks like, not signed in. I'm gonna log in right now, and the place you would log in is right up here, or if you need to register for an account, you would go right up there. Now here's what it looks like when you're logged in. First off, let me explain this dashboard, and then I'm gonna go into some of the top offers. And I'd love your feedback on what would you like me to explain the most. And if I miss anything, please make sure to let me know in the comments below if there's something you'd like a little more explanation on. You see the main chart here tells you how much you've actually made. So as you see, my DigiStore account, I make, $3,000 a day, $255 a day, and negative $300 a day. Now, how would you get negative money from something like DigiStore? Does it mean they're charging you, or what does that mean? The negative money is because they're refunds sometimes. Sometimes people refund products if they're not happy with them. Generally speaking, on information products, about 20% of information products get refunded. And DigiStore is an affiliate network that specializes in information products or online education. It's just a sad fact, but you may see some negative days. DigiStore is never going to charge you money though, so that's nothing you have to worry about. It's only money that you've made, and this applies to all affiliate networks, by the way this works. So you'll see some of the commissions here, and you can sort it by different ways. You can look at different charts, whatever you like the most. As you see, I started with DigiStore just recently. I really at the very end of 2019, I started using DigiStore, and I've just kind of grown my promotional efforts on there. You'll also see a number of things here. So you'll see earnings. I don't know why this isn't populating. You'll see summary, which is the number of clicks you've sent, earnings per click, cancellation rate, and DigiStore average. Now, cancellation rate is another moniker for refund rate. You'll also see what top vendors, you'll see top products you're promoting, you'll see and the affiliate support pages of different products that you've been promoting. Let's go over to the top offers, and I'm gonna show you a little bit about that. So to get over to the top offers, we're gonna look at the marketplace right here. Now, when we click the marketplace, you'll see it's automatically sorted by what they call sales rank. And sales rank is their way of letting you know these are the products that are making the most money on their network right now. Now, keep in mind, they pay out $250 million a year. So there's going to be a lot of products that are basically making millions of dollars a year. And the number one product is Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin. Okay. So right there you see, and he has a crazy product. Its average commission that you can earn, you can see over right here, okay? $42.55. So on average, if you get somebody to buy this product, you will make $42. Now, why do I say on average? Now, because the fact of the matter is you're actually making 92% commission. So whatever upsells they buy, if they buy downsells, if they buy other products from Wesley, you may make more than $42. You may also make a little bit less, but on average, you can generally count on $42 per commission. And your affiliate link is right here. Okay, so this is your affiliate link. Now you can click this to open it up, or we could copy it. Let's copy it and see what it looks like. So here's what our affiliate link looks like right here. And as you'll see, it's got some weird redirect. It's got all these fuzzy numbers and, my affiliate ID. Now, this is an affiliate link. And what this will do is this will not be the URL that actually shows up. It'll go to the actual person's website, as we'll see in a second. But what this stands for is this is actually what's called the vendor ID. This is the number associated with Wesley Virgin's account, and this is the name associated with my account. And let's see, when we pop this in to the URL right up there, as we see, it's not going to go to that site, right? It'll redirect it. Oh my gosh, right? And that's how affiliate marketing works, is that's how it tracks. And as you'll see, we're actually now on overnightmillionaire.net. And this is the sales page. And people who arrive at this page, the goal is to get people that are interested in becoming rich going to this page, which is a lot of people. And they'll watch this video.
Shout out to Wesley.
Huge shout out to Wesley Virgin.
Wesley, thank you.
Hi, this is Anna Enka. This is a big shout out to my friend Wesley. You gotta listen to this guy. He will change your life.
5 years ago, I was making $8 an hour. I sent him a message very quickly. I said, yo, Wes, teach me, please.
Now your goal is to get people to this page that want to watch this and want to change their life and want to make more money, and they end up buying, okay? That is your goal. And if you're looking for ways that you can actually get people buying and get traffic? How do you find people on the internet? All you have to do is navigate over to the homepage of my channel. By the way, make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and also comment. Let me know if this is helpful to you, if you'd like to see more videos like this, or if this is too long-winded, too short-winded, whatnot. But what you would want to go to for free traffic is you'll want to go down here on my homepage where it says free traffic methods. And as you see, there is a bunch of free traffic methods, a ton of videos showing you how you can get traffic to your affiliate link, how you can get people to click on it that are actually interested in buying your product. I'm not going to go into depth into this, but as you see, it's all the methods, right? Google, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. I go over them all right there. Another way you can get to my free traffic videos is go to this URL right here, which is johncrestani.com/start here, and that will take you to my free traffic playlist. Now, another thing about DigiStore is you can promote my products, and I provide a lot of resources in order to promote my products. And in order to get an affiliate link for my product, you would just type in Crestani right up there in the search bar, and you will find my two products, which is one is my book, which is Work at Home Secrets, which is being sold on the internet, on TV. It's, very popular. We get hundreds of sales a day of this, which means hundreds of affiliates a day are making money from this. And you also have my program, Super Affiliate System, which is my 6-week training course. It's my magnum opus. It's where we give people software, we give people websites, we give people landing pages. It's for people who want to make thousands of dollars extra a week. And basically, we've created a lot of software just to make it easier for people to make money being an affiliate. And our results are pretty outstanding. And it's part of the reason I'm a multimillionaire right now. So you can go there, you can get your link, you can go to the JV page and whatnot. Now, before I move onwards, another thing is that there's a lot of helpful information on JV pages. Most of the products will have an affiliate or a JV page associated with them where you can find information on how to promote them. So let's check this out. Now, on JV pages, you get an explanation of how to promote a product and what you're selling and how it works. And oftentimes we focus on how much money you can make because most people that are doing affiliate marketing, they're really most concerned with how much money they can make. So this is a $1,000 product. There's an additional upsell for $247 a month, which gives people access directly to me. I do webinars with those people. It's called the Inner Circle, and you get 50% of everything. So if you get somebody to buy Super Affiliate System, you make half of $1,000, which is $500, and you make about an extra $125 a month. Now, on the JV page, you also get information such as, let's say you want to do Facebook ads. Well, we show you what Facebook ads work. We show you what you should type, or along the lines of what you should type. We give you videos to download that you can use along with your Facebook ads. We show you stuff other people have written that have been consistently making sales and everything of that. I try to always share what my affiliates are doing. If I see affiliates doing something, if they didn't personally contact me, I share it because I want everybody to be successful here. And frankly, I want to have the best training on affiliate marketing on the planet. Okay, so you see we have a lot of videos here that you can use with your Facebook ads. We have a lot of stuff you can download and use along with things. Very easy to get started. Now, in regards to support, DigiStore doesn't offer support. Again, this is a free network to join. It doesn't really make sense. You're not paying them anything. They can't really offer much support, and they're approving anybody, even if you're not successful. So they do offer tools. I don't totally know where they're located right now, but they have a web page builder and they have a membership platform that you can use. I believe they're paid. You can check out digimember.com because this is a tool that allows anybody to create an information product business. If you'd like to learn about how I've created a multi-million-dollar information product business and how to start one, type in below, show me how to build an info product business in the comments, okay? And I'll do a video on that for you. DigiStore doesn't offer any training and they don't offer a community. Again, it is on you. They're approving anyone, which is very nice. As you'll see on this side, not many people approve everyone, and also you don't need to be approved for offers. So they approve anyone, so it's really on you to figure out how to do affiliate marketing. Now, the cost to join is nothing. Again, DigiStore is free. completely free to join. And their payout methods are through PayPal. When you earn commissions, they will pay you through check. They will send a check to your house, even if you live in, I don't know, like the middle of a freaking forest or something, as long as you receive mail. Or they will send a bank wire. You would need a bank account for that. You can do this no matter what age you are, no matter what country you're in, as long as you're not in Nigeria. Sorry, Nigerians. Again, not my fault. The cash out limit is $50. So you have to earn at least $50 to actually get paid. And if you want to join the DigiStore affiliate network, just click this link when you're in the sheet or go to johncrestani.com/digi. Woo! That was a lot of information. I hope you enjoyed it. If I left anything out, let me know in the comments below. I want to make sure I help you guys. I want to make sure you're successful. And the reason is because when you're promoting products, I earn a small cut of what you promote. I'm here to work with you. I want to make that very clear. I want you making money, okay? Because the more money you make, the more money I make. And it's my mission to make affiliate marketing easier and more accessible to everyone on the planet. I believe affiliate marketing is the #1 most basic form of capitalism that you need to be doing in this century. And again, I've provided this sheet for you. If you want to join affiliate networks, I suggest you actually join all of these affiliate networks, because the more you surround yourself with money-making opportunities, the better. Again, all of these affiliate networks have products you can sell. Maybe you care about what products you sell. You want something to speak to you, or you want something that, you know, in your mind you determine works, or maybe you just want the variety. I don't know. But also what's great about joining affiliate networks is that you get newsletters, and they tell you every week what the top offers are, how to promote them. They give you tips and tricks. And using that combined with the information you get on my channel will help you be successful. Again, my suggestion is you join every single one of these. But my top is DigiStore. Okay, so check it out. Go to johncrestani.com/networks. There should be a link below. If there's not a link below, sorry, I'm putting it on the screen here. And I look forward to seeing you in other videos. And let me know, this is affiliate marketing month. What other networks would you like me to actually do a walkthrough of? Again, I want you making money, because the more money you make, the more money I make. So let's get it and start making some money during this lockdown.